Hey guys, this is Exploratorium official here. So today, I'm going to unbox this Miniso square LCD alarm clock. I got this from Montreal, Quebec on one of our vacations. But this is Japanese tech, by the way. But anyways, the first thing we're gonna do is take a look at the entire box. Miniso square LCD alarm clock, and by the way, I got this at a Miniso store. Sorry, it's kind of blurry, guys. Directed by Japanese company. So this is what it's gonna look like. It's white, I guess. Square LCD alarm clock, white. Ingredients: ABS. Attention, nobody cares. Made in China, but this is Japanese tech. I don't get it. It should be made in Japan. Imported by Miniso Canada Storing. Address 13600 Maycrest Way, Richmond, BC, but I got this in Montreal. But anything here? Yeah. There. Whoops. Should I just... Oh, that looks better. Product name: Square LCD Alarm Clock, white. Product features: 3 volts, 2 AAA batteries. I have them right here. Actually, I have like 6 of them. And they're also Miniso. And again, they're AAA batteries. The rest of them, just forget about that. But you can read it if you actually get it from a Miniso store. I'm not sure if they're available in any other country. Might be Japan, but I'm not sure. Again, this is Japanese tech. Let's open it. I have this thing. Dip it right down there. And yes, there we go. Created a little notch. So, open it. Yay! See the scratches on there? Ooh. So, let's open it. This is what it looks like. Wow. A white finish. Oh, this is beautiful. I think I have another one, but it's used for one. I'm gonna give it to one of my friends soon. So this is gonna be mine from now on. Miniso electronic LCD alarm clock. I like popping bubbles on the bubble wrapping paper. But anyways, take it out. Oh, this is just beautiful. But what does it say here? Miniso. Oh, it's an instruction booklet. Electronic LCD alarm clock. Oh, it says it in Japanese as well. And is it Chinese or Japanese? The symbols look very similar. Might be Chinese. Instruction manual. 6 function keys: time, alarm, up, down, light, snooze, wave, time display, hour, minute, second, year range from 2000 to 2099, 12 24-hour format, temperature display section, Celsius, Fahrenheit, indoor temperature range minus 9.9 to minus 50 degrees Celsius. Detection time, each 30 seconds, 7 snooze function, 5 minutes delay. Sorry guys. Number 8, LED backlight. That's good. I wonder what color it is. Number 9, the voltage. 3 volts, 2 AA batteries, as already said. So, I'll follow these later. So, we're gonna just take a look at this. Wow. This looks beautiful. Very beautiful. It's all clean. I got this new out of the box. Very, very beautiful. Oh, it says something down here. Barcode. Some random Chinese, Japanese symbols. Miniso, and some random code. Made in China. I thought it was supposed to be made in Japan. I already said that, but let's get the box out of the way. Ugh. So how do we open this? Do I open it with this and try it? Ah, yes, that works perfectly. So, we need 2 AAA batteries. So, let's insert one right here. Why does this say 7 on here? It says AAA/7. That's probably why it says it. I don't know what that means though. So let's put one. Wait, that doesn't look right. Whoa. Ah, yes, there we go. It's flat right there. Well, straight, I meant. Like, not like bent. Let's put the other... Sorry, guys. Looks a bit blurry. Forget it. It's focused on the background. But let's just put this other battery right here. Oh, wow. Do you hear that beep? So, let's just put this back. It's supposed to go like this. So I'm going to set the time for now. Ah, that is beautiful. It lights up. $12-hour. Up and down buttons right here. So, right now it's 7:40. Sorry guys, 7:49. I'll just put it at 50 for now. It's a 12. Oh, it's in AM and PM. So I'm gonna turn on my flashlight so you guys can see. Oh, there's. Oh, I know. I'll just. Seconds doesn't matter. Time. And then this, I'm not really, how does this work? Up, down, yes. It's, 50 now, so I'm gonna do it as 51. So, it's 25, degrees Celsius here in Exploratorium City. Month and date, yes, that's important. I need to change that. Tuesday, hold on. The year right now is 2018. Perfect. 2018. Temperature, we already did that. Time. Month. Right now it's May. Tuesday it says. And then the date, I'll just press time. Up and down buttons will go right here. It's right now it's right now the 23rd of May, so I'm gonna just go down just like this. Wait. Ah, there we go. So, woo! Alright, turn off my flashlight. battery doesn't look good. Maybe if I turn on this, yeah. Whew. Well, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. I'll see you next time for another video. Goodbye.